about how to give and take. But since I came here, I felt the joy and the fear, finding myself.
What is your dog's trigger phrase that gets them super hyped, like 0 to 60 right away? I'll go first.
What happens when my puppy drinks water?
She looks like a bowling ball. Look at you. You're like a little bowling ball. Why is she so bloated? Is that normal for her to look like that?
Subscirbe. Pues tenemos que quien presiona más. Opala. Cuidado, Yangi. Idem.
Show me your pet is clingy without actually saying your pet is clingy.
What are you doing today?
Good.
No, what are you doing today?
I'm sitting on the couch today.
Did you do a steal?
I think you did a steal. No. Daddy's headlamp is not your chew toy.
Hey, which one do you like better, this one or this one?
Let me see the other one again. Huh. Okay, now the other one. Okay, change it again. Okay, the other one. Okay, let me see the other one. Are you aware there's a hamster on top of that?
I like it.
Okay, no, that's fine. You can leave it.
What about this one?
You want to know my opinion?
I miss my taco.